Welcome everybody. In this video, you're gonna learn about join function in Python. Join function is very important because it helps you join iterables. For example, maybe items from a list, sequence, or set, anything like that. Let's say I have a list which consists of some names, and I want to make a little bit change and make a sentence from the items. So these are the names, and I want to change something. I want to join them and make a sentence with and in between every name. So what I will do, for I will write a for loop for name in list. This will take out every item from this list. Now what I will do is, if name not Python, and let me just write it as a string, is not Python. So this will check if the name is not Python. What it will do is, it will just print the name, then wait a minute, it will print and with a space, and then what it will do is, it will end the print statement without any space because I have already given it here. Now what I need to do is, else if it is not Python, then sorry, if it is Python, then what it will do is, it will simply just write the name. Okay, this is fine. Shall we try out our code? Let me show you what it will look like. So it will look like something Rohit and Aryan and Python. So let's run. Let's open our terminal, Python 3, and join function.py. So wait a minute. Okay, wait a minute. So it means this thing. So let's see, and you can see it's working. So there was a much literal values, that's why it was not working. That was a literal error because Python sometimes understand English too. So this was a very long, you may understand, but what can we do? There is something, Python saves us. So I'll simply write Python and then end dot join. We will join our function and it takes an iterable. So in our last video, if you haven't watched, I make a short video talking about map, filter and reduce functions, so you can watch that. I have explained that iterable is an object which can be looped over, or which we can apply a for loop or while loop. It's an array of items in simple terms. So in our case it will be lst. Let's run our code, and it's giving the same result. So as you can see, I have created this code in just 2 lines instead of 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. So that's about join function. Like, share and subscribe for next video, and see you in the next part.